Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I have a very quick tutorial for you guys using my newest stamping plate from one of the newest stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang, XL048. And this one, as you can see, it's a buffet style stamping plate. I've already reviewed it for you before, and it's I'm calling it a bridal stamping plate, but it has a lot of, it can very easily go towards a Valentine's. When you see the sleeve, they wanted to kind of give it more of that bridal look. Isn't that pretty? So yes, I wanted to keep it, as you saw in the thumbnail, here it is, a finished manicure. I wanted to stay with the bridal theme. I wanted to challenge myself on shrinking this image right here and get it to fit on my middle finger. Yeah, I wanted to try to squeeze it in there as much as possible. So, but you can very easily go towards more Valentine's. And as far as to let you know of the colors that I use, this is, I mean, very pretty easy colors with the white, but my silver, and this is all gel, so I did apply them over latex for easy removal. But the silver that I used here was Dreamy Silver by Model 1's from this collection, if you remember, from a long time ago. Now my pinky nail here, as you can see it, I have been wanting to do a blinged up nail for a long time, so I decided this time to, you know, go ahead and do that this time around. And I will talk about this in another video. Let me know if you aren't interested, because I actually, if you notice, it is longer than if you've seen my photos on Instagram. I actually extended it using the dipping powder, believe it or not. And it went on so easy. I was surprised how easy it went. It was my first time doing it because I lost the tip of it, the very tip of it. And to bling it up like this, I actually wanted it slightly longer. So I went ahead and that's why I extended it. But super cool. I'm happy how it turned out. Alright, so I'll go ahead and leave you guys with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so here is the final result. As you saw in the beginning, this is after clean up and finished it up with gel top coat. What do you guys think? I think it turned out super cute. And yeah, I really like this image right here. I just thought it looked very delicate and pretty. And with that stamping plate, you can go all Valentine's. So I was trying to keep it more in the bridal side with the couple. And yeah, give it, use the hearts there with the French manicure. And these are gels, so I have them all over a latex for easy removal. Now, if you guys are interested, as I mentioned on this nail, how to do an extension using dipping powders, let me know if you're interested, and I'll do a video on how to do that, how I went about that. Check it out. I am loving that bling. Let's see how long it lasts. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.